Good morning, my dear students. Let us learn maths. Kindly take your textbook, page number 85. Page number 85. Exercise number 3. Multiply the following. Dear students, here you see ones and tens digit is given. 31 into 2. First we have to multiply ones digit number. Okay. 2's table we have to say one time. 2 ones are 2. And ones place we have to write answer 2. Then we have to multiply tens digit number. Okay. 2's table we have to say 3 times. 2 3's are 6. Then answer you have to write in tens place 6. 31 into 2. Your answer will be 62. Next 40 into 2. We have to first multiply ones digit number. Okay. 2 into 0. Answer is 0. And 2's table we have to say 4 times. 2 4's are 8. And 8 we have to write in tens place. Okay. 40 into 2. Your answer will be 80. Next 23 into 2. First we have to multiply ones digit. Then we have to multiply tens digit. Okay. 2's table we have to say 3 times first. 2 3's are 6. And ones place you have to write answer 6. Then 2's table we have to say 2 times. 2 2's are 4. So in tens place you have to write 4. 23 into 2. Your answer will be 46. Next 11 into 4. 4's table first we have to say one time. 4 ones are 4. In ones place you have to write 4. And we have to multiply tens digit. Okay. 4's table again we have to say how many times? One time. Okay. 4 ones are 4. And tens place you have to write answer 4. 11 into 4. Your answer will be 44. Next 22 into 3. 3's table first we have to say 2 times. 3 2's are 6. So in ones place you have to write 6. Then we have to multiply tens digit. Okay. 3's table again we have to say 2 times. 3 2's are 6. You have to write answer in tens place 6. 22 into 3. Your answer will be 62. Next 31 into 3. 3's table first we have to say one time. 3 ones are 3. And you have to write in ones place answer 3. Then we have to multiply tens digit number. Okay. 3's table we have to say how many times? 3 times. 3 3's are 9. So in tens place you have to write answer 9. 31 into 3. Your answer will be 93. 21 into 4. Here also first we have to multiply ones digit. Okay. 4's table we have to say one times. 4 ones are 4. And in ones place you have to write answer 4. Then we have to multiply tens digit number. Okay. 4's table we have to say 2 times. 4 2's are 8. Then you have to write answer in tens place 8. 21 into 4. Your answer will be 84. 10 into 5. First we have to multiply 5 into 0. Answer will be 0. And 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. 10 into 5. Your answer will be 50. Next 11 into 7. 7's table first we have to say one time. Ones digit. Okay. 7 ones are 7. In ones place you have to write answer 7. And we have to multiply tens digit number. Okay. 7's table again we have to say one time. 7 ones are 7. Then answer you have to write 7 in tens place. 11 into 7. Your answer will be 77. Next, 33 into 3. 3's table first we have to say 3 times. 3 3's are 9. So, in ones place, answer you have to write 9. Then we have to multiply tens digit number. 3's table again we have to say 3 times. 3 3's are 9. So, 33 into 3, your answer will be 99. Next, 23 into 3. Here also first we have to multiply ones digit number, then tens digit. Okay. 3's table first we have to say 3 times. 3 3's are 9. So you have to write in ones place answer 9. And tens place 3 2's are 6. You have to write answer 6. Okay. 23 into 3. Your answer will be 69. 30 into 3. When we multiply 3 into 0, answer will be 0. And 3's table we have to say 3 times. 3 3's are 9. In tens place you have to write answer 9. 30 into 3. Your answer will be 90. Hope you understood. Dear students, this exercise you have to write down in your pair notebook and learn it. Thank you, dear students.